Assalamualaikum and good morning to all of you. So this week we are going to learn about 3D modeling. So first you have to change from 2D to 3D modeling, and then at the toolbar you'll see this interface. Okay, and also you'll see the X, Y and Z axis. Okay, in order to do 3D, so you must have these three axes. Okay, next, from the view drop down menu, you have to click 3D views to select different isometric views. Okay, depends either top, bottom, left, right, front or back. Okay, click on appropriate icons on the view toolbar. Okay, for the isometric, you have to change to SE isometric. Okay, so we are going to use this throughout the 3D modeling drawing, SE isometrics. So this is the difference between SE, SW, NW and also NE. SE means South East isometric. Okay, so change to SE isometric. Next, in 3D modeling, we have lots of solid. Okay, either box, cylinder, cone, you can change. Okay, depends on the drawing that we want to draw. From the draw toolbar, okay, modeling, and then you can choose any solid from the toolbar. Okay, draw, modeling, and then there are so many choices. This is 3D primitive solid. Okay, so instead of using toolbar, you can also type by using command. Okay, for box, just type box, sphere, cylinder, cone, wedge, torus, and also pyramid. And then for 3D modeling, also we have height. Okay, command height. If you want to use the tool, go to view and choose height. If you want to use command, type height or high. Okay, so this is the difference between before height and then after height. So the drawing will be much more clear, or much more smooth. For polysolid, allows you to draw a solid object while defining the height and also the width. So, for example, okay, you want to draw a polysolid by specific height and also width. So, type in the command psolid, refer to polysolid, and then you can put any height or width that you want. Okay, and then press enter. So this is how it will looks like. Okay, polysolid. And region tool. So for example, you have this drawing. Okay, this type of like okay, a box, and then type command region. Select object, window the drawing, and then press enter. So the region is created. This is the region. And then from the region you draw just now, you can choose also extrude tool. So extrude means you want to build from the base. Okay, this is the base. So kita nak draw object, kita nak extrude. Extrude means okay, you naikkan daripada base ni. Okay, naikkan at a certain height. That is extrude. Okay, to become an object, a box. So type command extrude, and then isoline 4, and then select object to extrude, the one that you draw just now. Okay, just click and then 50 for the how much you want to extrude. Okay, so this is the object that will appear. Okay, kita bentukkan dia daripada base dia, the one that you draw just now, and then extrude. So extrude along path. This is for polyline. Okay. And then you can try some of the tutorial by using this link. Okay, so try it out via this link. I'll give you some times, and then you can proceed to iso lines. So iso line means the system variable that will affect the appearance of the solid model. So the higher the value, the longer AutoCAD takes to calculate and regenerate the model. So bila dia takes more time, of course dia akan slow down your computer. So the tip is, in order to untuk elakkan komputer you daripada slow down, so at first keep the isoline setting low, okay, while working on the model, and then once you're done, then you can set the number higher, barulah your computer tak akan slow down. Okay, so this is example, lower isolines, this is 4 compared to isoline 24. If you increase the isolines, so the drawing akan kelihatan lagi smooth. Okay, higher isolines compared to lower isolines. Okay, the next topic will be revolved surface. So revolved surface means you want to draw from one drawing, kita revolve into 360 degree. So what will happen? Your drawing will look like this. Akan appear this object. Okay, from this become this one. Okay, after they have revolved into 360 degree. Okay, so for revolve surface, you can type command revolve, REV, surface, SURFE. Okay, and then ada juga surf tab 24 or surf tab 2, depends. So the more surface tab, so dia akan lagi lukisan dia akan jadi lagi clear. Okay, so this is by using command. So surface tab tadi 1 and 2. So surface tab control how many faces in your surface. So kalau by using default, so surface tab akan jadi 6, which is lower, will give you a very chunky looking shape. Means that okay, this is example for surface tab. Okay, so kalau yang default, dia akan nampak bentuk hexagon. Okay, bentuk dia tak smooth lah. So instead of using surf tab 24, so the object will look tak ada hexagon anymore. Okay, so dia akan jadi a circle, hemisphere. Okay, no more hexagon. Okay, so kalau yang default punya akan looks like hexagon instead of circle. So this is again, as I mentioned before, revolve surface. From this become this object. Okay. Okay, another exercise for revolve. This is example of your drawing. So macam mana, how it looks like after doing revolve at 360 degree. So this is the object. Okay. So the higher the surface tab, so dia akan jadi lagi cantik bentuk dia. So kalau surface tab 6, akan nampak bentuk hexagon. Okay, compared to surface tab 16. Okay. So you can do this one by using command isolines and then type a new value 16, and then again type comma revolve by using rev, and you can follow the rest. Okay, type 360 for the specified angle, and they can enter. This object will appear. Okay, so now you can do this exercise, how the drawing akan appear by using angle of 180 instead of 360. Okay, try and error. Nak tengok apa bentuk dia kalau buat 180 instead of 360.